smile, my baby, for one time, I'm to my mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man, no, they walk up. Man, no, be God. Make them they talk. I saw they fly like a helicopter.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tosa and you're welcome to today's video. I don't know what today's gonna be about, but I have made a to-do list for today. So the first thing I have on my list is to go to the gym this morning because I am starting a fitness journey and it's kind of like my first time going to the gym. I want to implement working out as a new routine because I just don't feel like myself lately, and I want to just try to get back on track and just have that just feel confident about my body again. So, and after the gym, I am going to be cooking. I'm gonna do some laundry and deep cleaning. I'm also gonna run some errands, and lastly, I need to take a nap because after all of this, I would definitely need a nap. So we're just gonna get right into this video.
I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 on my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Try to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah, I really need time. Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's you talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that devil. Like the Baba fly, my ayo, don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when them kills over my. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much we make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu.
get it right. The young cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of
So I just got out of the gym. I'm home and I'm about to go take a shower. But I just want to let you guys know how I feel after the gym. Like, my body feels amazing. When I woke up this morning, I was in so much pain. Like, I had waist pain, back pain, neck pain, like literally all the pain you can think of. But as soon as I get out of the gym, my body feels so much different, so much lighter. And also, I almost fell off the treadmill at the gym.
You be mumu.
I'm gonna put that clip at the end of this video so you guys can just
You think say they white?
see me trying to fall off the treadmill. Okay, it wasn't fun, but I enjoyed it. My pains are like gone. You know what? So I am just gonna open the shower right now and wash up and then go get something to eat. But my sister already prepared something delicious, which means I don't have to cook for this vlog anymore. I'm only gonna do the laundry, try to clean up my room, and maybe get some rest. But I don't have to cook, which is good. But I am going to show you guys what she made, and I can already smell it. Like, let me get a shower. Let me get in the shower and go eat some food, okay?
I tried to teach you, but I need some lessons. I need to get better.
So here's the stew that my sister made. This stew makes me want to put my fitness journey that I just started on a hold because it is so delicious. She also made some white rice to go with it, but I'm not gonna eat at the moment. I'm just gonna get the laundry started and afterwards eat and then do some cleaning up. So let's get
Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Then I need a mess of my mind. And I need to get free of the mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, if you leave I go loving your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, day. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle. And you they blow my mind from my mind ago. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my word is right, baby, she gon' save me, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. Girl, your love is crazy, girl, love is crazy. You amaze me, girl, you amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me, but when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All them other girls, they really want to play me, but when I date with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. If you thought I was disturbed before, baby boy, I'm gonna disturb you now. If you thought I was disturbed before, baby girl, I'm gonna disturb you